Are you ready to harness the power of metadata to drive your organization's digital transformation? Stick around and I will show you how. Hey there Pixlers, it's Michael Haddon here. Democratizing data with metadata is all about breaking down barriers and making data accessible, understandable, and usable for everyone within an organization. By masterfully managing and harnessing the power of metadata, we are empowering individuals of all technical skill levels to confidently make well-informed, data-driven decisions. Let's redefine the way we interact with data and unleash the full potential of everyone in your organization. Now, that sounds fancy, but what actually is metadata? Think of a phone call. That is your data, and the time, duration, and people involved are the metadata. Metadata adds that vital context and information about data, such as its structure, meaning, origin, relationships, and quality. In short, metadata is data about data. So, how does metadata help our organization democratize our data, you ask? Supercharged data discovery. Metadata helps users effortlessly find the perfect data through swift search and navigation in data catalogues or data marketplaces. Enhanced understanding. Metadata serves up essential insights about data like its meaning, relationships, and structure, enabling users to really get to grips with it and put it to good use. Trustworthy data quality. Metadata shows the quality, accuracy, and reliability of data, helping users have confidence in the information they're working with and make top-notch decisions. Data governance. Metadata is the backbone of data governance processes, such as tracking data lineage, ensuring data quality, and maintaining data privacy and security. Streamlined collaboration. Metadata helps users from different departments and different domains work together more effectively by providing a shared understanding of data and its context. By democratizing data with metadata, organizations can drive data-driven decision-making, spark innovation, and enhance collaboration, ultimately boosting their overall performance and competitiveness. So, we just need to store all that lovely metadata. When deciding on a metadata storage solution, organizations should consider their size, requirements, and unique data landscape. For smaller organizations with simpler data structures, relational databases like MySQL or Postgres could be your perfect match. But as your organization and data complexity grow, you might find NoSQL databases like MongoDB or Cassandra offering the flexibility and scalability you need for unstructured or semi-structured data. If metadata management and governance are your top priorities, specialized metadata repositories like Apache Atlas or Informatica Metadata Manager have got you covered with their tailor-made solutions. And for those seeking a user-friendly platform with data discovery, lineage tracking, and collaboration features, data catalogues are a dream come true. But before you run off and start implementing your metadata storage, let's flip the script. Instead of treating it like an afterthought, let's put metadata center stage, especially when it's crucial for defining our organization's future. Picture this. Some organizations don't even want to analyze data, just metadata. Take the NSA for example. They likely have a gargantuan data lake chock full of metadata, which they can use to accurately purchase or subpoena data from tech giants. When we think of a system designed to trace and record every action, you may end up producing far more metadata than data. Metadata is data. Introducing the Metadata Lake, or Metalake for short. It is a centralized storage and management solution that takes metadata management to a whole new level. Metalakes store metadata from various sources in a unified, accessible, and scalable manner. They often use a knowledge graph-based architecture to manage and store metadata, capturing the relationships, context, and semantics of data assets. Here's what a Metalake can bring to the table. Supercharged metadata discovery and search. Centralizing metadata storage makes it simpler for users to discover and search for the metadata they need. Top-notch metadata management and governance. A Metalake offers a unified platform to manage and govern metadata across the organization, ensuring data quality, security, and compliance. Next-level metadata analytics and insights. Metalakes let organizations apply advanced analytics and machine learning techniques to metadata, revealing valuable insights, detecting patterns, and improving overall data quality. Scalability. A Metalake can accommodate heaps of metadata, making it perfect for organizations with growing data assets and complex data landscapes. By storing metadata in a Metalake, organizations can manage, discover, and leverage their metadata more effectively, driving data democratization, informed decision-making, and increased collaboration. Instead of bombarding you with theory, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of building our very own Metalake. First up is the data ingestion layer. It's all about handling various internal and external data sources, such as databases, file systems, APIs, or data streams. We'll create services to extract, load, and validate metadata from these sources. Next, in the metadata processing layer, we'll ensure metadata integrity with data quality checks and validations. We'll also combine metadata from multiple sources, ironing out discrepancies and pinpointing relationships. The metadata storage layer now comes into play, where we'll store metadata and its relationships in a knowledge graph for fantastic semantic context and discoverability. We'll also organize metadata in a data catalog, making searching and browsing a total breeze. With the Metadata Analytics Layer, we'll let loose machine learning and cutting-edge algorithms to spot patterns, boost quality, and glean insights from metadata. We'll also keep an eye on metadata quality, usage, and other key metrics with monitoring and alerts. On the data marketplace layer, we'll expose metadata through APIs for real-time communication between front-end services and storage layers. We'll serve up user-friendly visualization and exploration tools for metadata and data assets. Additionally, we'll ensure proper data usage with access controls, data contracts, and governance mechanisms. Finally, the integration layer helps us seamlessly connect the Metalake with existing data management tools, reporting platforms, and development environments. These 6 stages will guide us into building a robust and efficient Metalake that can effectively manage, store, and analyze metadata to drive data democratization and informed decision-making. Now we have a scalable and performant data lake we can supercharge it with machine learning. The goal is to make the data marketplace smarter and more efficient. Here's how we can step up our game with machine learning. Pattern detection. Unleash machine learning algorithms to analyze metadata and uncover hidden patterns, relationships, and trends. Data quality boost. Train machine learning models to spot potential data quality hiccups like potential missing or inconsistent metadata and suggest fixes. Automatic metadata classification. Use machine learning to auto-classify and categorize metadata based on content and context. Data product recommendations. Analyze metadata usage patterns with machine learning algorithms to recommend spot-on data products for users based on their needs and preferences. In short, machine learning algorithms can help automate various metadata management tasks, saving time and effort while also providing more accurate and intelligent insights. To wrap up, metadata plays a pivotal role in driving digital transformation and data democratization within organizations. The key is to know your organizational goals and requirements. Having metadata is only a small part of democratizing it. The real hurdle is integrating it into your workflow of your colleagues. This requires close communication and collaboration to design and architect the desired environment. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Cheers!